Yo guys, what is up? What's going on? So today I've got a new dash cam with me actually. This is the Voifo A129 Duo 2-channel dash cam. This is the successor to the previous A119 dash cam, which was a really good budget dash cam coming in at under $150. The A129 is a 1080p dash cam, both front and back, with a Sony Starvis sensor. So let's do a quick unboxing and then we're gonna go and get it installed, show a few example clips, and then in a few weeks we'll do another video with just some pure raw unedited footage straight from the camera. So a very quick note, this little remote control is really awesome actually. What this does is it connects automatically Bluetooth to the Voifo dash cam, and when you press the button, you can mount it somewhere in your car, have it in like the center console or whatever. It will save the latest video file in a separate folder location so it doesn't get overwritten, which is really awesome because you can actually use this to save clips really easily, and even more so you can actually make compilation videos of things you see on the roads and save them without having to go on your phone or anything. You just press the button. Now we also have a CPL circular polarizing filter for this from the old A119 dash cam we've used. So I'm gonna get it wired up now in my WRX, and then we're gonna go for a quick drive and then see what it looks like. All right, so I'm gonna start with just the front camera, getting it mounted with the wire for the front. We'll go in the car. So I've basically just connected it to this 12-volt plug and put it in here. They give you a ton of wiring, as you can see here. There's so much. So if you want to do a really clean install, it'd be pretty easy. You can run this all under the dash, up the pillars. That's how I've done all of mine. You can see I run it down this pillar here, across the top, and then I tuck it in up here, and the wires come down there for my black view. And I'm just actually, for the sake of this video, going to mount it up right beside the black view, and then we can see some comparison footage side by side just of what the two look like. So I'm just gonna tuck the wiring there, peel off the 3M. So I've installed the micro SD card in there, and then we just mount it up in place with the 3M, just like that. Nice and firm. Then we plug in the USB power in the side. All right, so we've just mounted the rear camera right up here on the windshield. My black view can actually flip and be upside down, so I can mount it down there, but this one I have it mounted. You can only put it on the windshield because it cannot flip. So mount it up and then adjust the lens to be nice and straight, and then we can plug it in. All right, so we actually got the app connected up on the phone. We're gonna go for a test drive now, and everything actually looks really good. Super easy to set up. Connecting to the Wi-Fi was like literally 10 seconds. It was so easy. It gives you the password, and this is how you can check, especially like if you've got the camera at the right angle. You can adjust it and whatnot here,
and then see it on your phone, so that's pretty sweet. All right, so we're just gonna go for a test drive now with the new Voifo Dashcam, get some example footage to share with you guys here at the end, and then in my next video I'll show a side-by-side comparison of the black view and the Voifo, and you can make your own judgments and whatnot and see the qualities side by side of the exact same drive. But that's it for this install video, guys. Overall, the install, we just did it quickly here, but it should take you less than half an hour to 45 minutes to tuck all the wiring nice and tidy. This only thing that I'll say is that the wire that goes to the back is like that thick. It's like an HDMI cable. It's huge. So that might pose some challenge getting it ran to the back of the car. But I'm gonna wrap the install up here now, guys. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions about the setup or you need any help, feel free to leave a comment down below, or you can message me on Instagram as always. Thanks again for watching, guys, and I hope you're having a great day or night, whatever it is where you are.